So guys, this is Tapo C100. I brought it couple of years ago. C100 model. It was working fine till now, but all of a sudden it went dead. Nothing is working, so I opened it. This is just a dummy cover. This is a infrared kit, which is plug and play on the actual camera. Let me remove it. This way you can remove the infrared kit. This is the actual camera, and this is the speaker. This is the motherboard. Looks very good, premium, and doesn't look cheap in hand. But I don't know how it's not repairable. I already visited TP-Link service center in Pune. They said this cannot be repaired. It's very complex circuit. I think they are not willing to invest time in repairing this. If someone knows how to repair this, please drop your comments below.